back to our weekly live analysis session. Jonathan Senka is my name, and if you're new to our channel, endeavor to subscribe and don't forget to join our Forex trading WhatsApp group where we are always sharing Forex trading setups and trading discussions. As always, we're on this journey to success, guys. So if you're new to our Forex trading WhatsApp group, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications not to miss our weekly analysis sessions, and we are always dropping Forex trading videos that could help elevate your Forex trading knowledge as far as this field is concerned. So guys, I'm gonna be breaking down GBPJPY and gold setups for the coming week. As always, let's dive deep into it. Yeah, GBPJPY, guys, I'm bullish on GBPJPY. As I said, I hold some kind of long trades, so my trades take at least 2 to 3 days. That's how I hold my trade. So I'm gonna be waiting for GBPJPY to tap this order block right here. That's why I'm gonna be taking my buys on GBPJPY. So this on GBPJPY, I'm watching for buys after a retest on this order block here. As you see, guys, I'm considering this zone right here to be my point of liquidity. This order block here, there is an order block, see here, so I'm considering it to be my liquidity. The reason I'm considering it to be my liquidity, literally, it's not a protected zone. If you study it carefully, this ain't a protected order block. It's not a protected order block because there is liquidity below it, that fair value gap that we see right below it, and there is no clear zone that's going to be liquidated above it. So literally it will act as our point of liquidity. So I'm going to be having my liquidity right here, and as you see, guys, literally this zone is going to be liquidated. So I'm going to be waiting for my price to retest this area, this order block right here. I'm waiting for my price to retest this order block. That's when I will be holding my buys on GBPJPY, guys. So that's what I'm going to be watching, and I'll be having some long trade right there. This is what I have for GBPJPY. Maybe the other option I could take after, maybe the only condition that I might take a trade from this is when price first breaks above this area here. So if price breaks above these two double tops that we are having here, I'll do it. If I retest, then I'll drive higher. So if I, guys, GBPJPY is really going to break above this area because it has made multiple touches, as you see, 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps. So literally going to break above this area. So truth is, I'm fully bullish. I'm not expecting any chance for sales, maybe maybe scalp, but literally for a day trader and a swing trader, the only trades that I'm gonna be watching, and yeah, the only trades I'm gonna be watching are bulls on GBPJPY. Literally, it has higher chances of breaking above these zones right here. That's why I'm gonna be holding some long trade to break above these zones. So I'm targeting some fair value gap. If you were to check the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, there is a fair value gap I'm gonna be targeting right above there. It's the one I'm gonna be targeting my trade. So guys, this is the zone I'm gonna be taking my trade from. As always, I told you guys, I enter by limit orders. As far as the GBPJPY is concerned, I don't usually wait for confirmations. I enter by a limit orders. You see this trade here? Yeah, I enter by limit orders. That's what I'm gonna be watching for GBPJPY as far as next week is concerned. Hope well for you all guys. Have any setup that you would recommend for us? You don't mind dropping it in the comment section, and we'll share more ideas. And if you're not in our section, sub reminder. And for those of the TV size, I'm gonna be dropping right next week. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be sharing educative videos, educative content as far as next week is concerned. So next week I'm gonna be grow their trading skills. Remember, subscribe and keep your notifications on our channel. Thanks everyone. So let's go to gold and watch the gold setups for the coming week. This is what I have for gold. Thank you guys. Let me show you USD. All right, guys. Gold recently had a push up, as you see. Had a strong push up, as we see. All guys, literally, I was gold is good at grabbing liquidity. So for those who trade gold, I recommend you understand liquidity concepts, so you understand it to your best in order to make it from gold. So for gold, literally, as I'm watching here, it has grabbed. It's gonna be grabbing all the liquidity. As you see, it grabbed all this trend line liquidity right here, guys. It grabbed this trend line liquidity, and I'm hoping for it to take off this fake supply zone that we have here, because it didn't break the previous low that you're having here. And as you see guys, this fair gap here was tested at least to itself, so it didn't touch our order block here, but at least it filled the fair value gap to more than a half even. That indicates that the higher chances gold is still flying higher. And yeah guys, gold next week, I'm bullish on gold as far as next week is concerned, and I'm gonna be targeting this zone right here. As all see guys, there is a fair value gap here, and I've told you gold is always the next points of liquidity. So gold is good at grabbing liquidity, and if you wanna trade gold so well, it's better to understand liquidity concepts. So guys, I'm gonna be waiting for a retest on gold, and then I will be flying higher with gold soon. The times when I'm gonna be entering all these trades that have been breaking down right here, I will be giving you the times, the setups. I'm gonna be dropping the exact setups on the WhatsApp groups. So endeavor to stay tuned in. So literally, what I'm watching on gold is I'm waiting for a retest in the fair value gap, then a push higher. So this is what I'm going to be waiting for gold. And guys, on gold, I wait for confirmations. I usually wait for confirmations on gold. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be watching on gold. I'm going to be waiting for a retest. watching on Go. Join our trading WhatsApp group and hit the notification button and subscribe. As always, on this channel success, and I'm cheering for you every step of the way, guys. Okay.